Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm gonna show you the design team package that I received from Crafty City store, and it's the baby kit and includes this beautiful gorgeous paper from Lemon Craft, and it's Lullaby. This paper is so beautiful. It comes with 8 double-sided papers. Okay, and look at these. Even right here, the first page has an extra pattern, so you can use it on this side. Okay, and then right here are the other 8 double-sided pages. And look at these. It's a beautiful, beautiful image. And they are 2 colors. It can be blue or pink. See? And right here I have another blue one. Look, so cute. It's gorgeous. Oh, this is the other side. And then this one, it's like this. This kit comes with everything. And this one is the other side. Look at that, air balloons. Super gorgeous. Then right here is like a quilt, and it comes a lot of images of blue and pink babies, and this one right here with flowers is so delicate. Then right here I have another one of these in pink. Look how gorgeous. I love this corner with flowers. And this is the back. See? And then look at this baby. Super gorgeous, right? And this is the back. It's polka dot. And it has some flourishes in the background too. Then right here, it has a baby on a hot air balloon. Look. And a lot of flowers. And this is the other corner. So cute. And this one looks like lace in the other side. And I have another set of papers that is 12 by 12, and it comes with both colors as well. And this one opens like this. Look, you even can use this side. It's an extra one. Then right here you have this beautiful soft pattern. This can be for matting or for background of the pages. Then right here, polka dots in light blue and pink. Then this one again looks kind of peach. Then this one with the stars, so cute. We have the pink ones with stars as well, and this one. Okay. And then there is this one in blue and pink, and also this color. And this one has hearts. See? So cute. And then you have pink ones with hearts. And then also these ones. And then this one with leaves in pink and on this color. So these are the papers for the kit. Okay, you get 2 sets, and you will also get these prints. Okay, these are papers with prints, and you can fussy cut all these beautiful images, like all these gorgeous butterflies, and decorate the album. See? Then you get this one that you can fussy cut as well. Look at this beautiful baby. You can fussy cut the flowers right here. Look how gorgeous. Oh wow, this basket with the toys. Oh, the baby. And even these frames. So beautiful. So pretty. Look in pink. You have the same baby. Then you have this rattle up here. So gorgeous. Right here. Look. Same. The frames and the balloons. So you can play with all of these and make a beautiful mini album. I'm so excited to play with them. You will also get in the kit these cards that are 4 by 6. Okay, 4 by 6 is the size of pictures. And this one that is from the packaging, but you can just fussy cut and use this image as well. So cute. Then you are going to get little cards. These cards are 2 by 3. Beautiful cards, right? So these are some extra cards. Then you're going to get these flowers that are from Prima Flowers that matches the colors of the paper, and these other flowers in 2 tones. Then you will get seam binding in 2 colors, blue and pink. And you will also get this ink pad in pink, and the color is Deep Kiss, and this is from Prima. And in the kit you will also get all these charms. These are so cute to embellish all of your pages. Look at this. This is a mother and a baby. This is a boy, a girl. These one are feet, and this pacifier. Then right here, this clothes, and these shoes. This is a stork with a baby and a bottle. See, so cute. Okay, these are the charms that comes with the kit. And you will also get these beautiful embellishments that are paper clips with a cupcake on top, and they are so beautiful. And the colors match with the paper as well. And also chipboard embellishments. As you can see, these are from Scrappy, and this one says a little fruit of great love. So beautiful, so delicate. Then right here it says a bundle of joy. Then this one says first birthday. And right here there is one stroller, and also this cradle and a hot air balloon. I love to embellish the mini albums with these cheaper elements. So you're going to get all of these. And last but not least, it's a mini album, a chipboard mini album that you will get in the kit. And this mini album is from Scrappy as well. And this one is a die cut chipboard mini album. And I'm going to show you. And this mini album has the cover. Okay, it has 2 of these chipboards, okay, for the cover. Okay, these are a little bigger than the pages. And for the first one, it comes with chipboard elements, okay, that you can put on top and embellish, okay, all this stuff. right here. You can play with it, okay? And this is the back. And it comes with 4 pages. So this one can be a very nice mini album. I'm so excited to make a mini album for a baby. If you like this kit, please visit Crafty City store. The link is going to be in the description box. And stay tuned for my project share. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.